with you, with you. I wish we had another time, I wish we had another place. Now Romeo and Juliet, bet they never felt the way we felt.
Where is the moment?